In the previous lectures, we have been talking about the basics of email marketing. We have been talking about why is it important to create a lead magnet. As far as my website is concerned, this is my lead magnet. My visitors are interested in computer science, algorithms, and data structures, so a free online course is quite a good lead magnet. He or she just have to give the email address, and basically that's all. And what's extremely important, that we would like to send automated emails. So I don't want to send every single emails manually when a given client subscribes to my email list. So somehow we have to solve this issue. And this is why Autoresponders came to be. So Autoresponders are e-newsletters that are sent to your mailing list subscribers at predefined intervals. So we can define the content of the email, we can define when to deliver that given email, and so on. So this is why Autoresponders as services are one of the most important factors in email marketing. Okay, so affiliate marketing is usually reduced to email marketing, and a good question is what email service providers and autoresponders to use. There are three options. The most relevant ones are Mailchimp, Aweber, and Drip. Mailchimp is good for small businesses. So for example, as far as global software support is concerned, I use Mailchimp under the hood. Okay, so Mailchimp is a good start for small businesses. Then you can use Aweber and Drip. Drip is by far the best solution because we can tag subscribers based on their interactions. So this is why I told you that if you are a professional affiliate marketer, then this is the strategy you are looking for. You have to use lead pages in order to acquire the email addresses of your clients, and you have to use automated emails with Drip, plus paid traffic from Facebook, for example. So if you are a professional affiliate marketer, then this is the strategy you are looking for. Okay, so as an online entrepreneur, we want to send automated emails based on given triggers. For example, when a given client subscribes, it can be a trigger. So when the client subscribes, then we want to send a welcome email, or when a client abandoned the cart in our web shop, it is a trigger as well. Then we want to downsell accordingly, for example. So these are the triggers, and with the help of autoresponders such as Mailchimp, Aweber, and Drip, we can do these quite easily. So in the coming lectures, we are going to talk about these services one by one. Thanks for watching. First of all, let's talk about Mailchimp. So as far as I am concerned, I like Mailchimp very much. Mailchimp is one of the most popular email service providers. It is suitable for small businesses and bloggers. So it is free of charge if you have less than 2,000 subscribers and you send less than 12,000 emails per month. Okay, so in this case, Mailchimp is free of charge, and this is why Mailchimp is the most popular approach for small businesses, because you don't have to pay at the beginning. Okay, if you have more than 2,000 subscribers, you have to pay for using the services of Mailchimp, but if you have more than 2,000 subscribers, I'm sure that you can make enough money to pay for Mailchimp. Okay, so first of all, it is free of charge at the beginning. It is very easy to integrate it with WordPress websites. You can have your lead magnet, and clients subscribing on your website is automatically added to your Mailchimp list. This is exactly what's happening on my website. I have this lead magnet, and every single user subscribing to my email list will get automated emails via Mailchimp. Okay, additionally, there are lots of themes and templates you can use when using Mailchimp. Mailchimp also allows you to create HTML-style newsletters. These look like a web page within your email, and it can look pretty professional. So these are the advantages as far as Mailchimp is concerned. Easy integration is definitely an advantage. It is extremely easy to integrate it with your WordPress website. On the other hand, maybe the most important disadvantage for Mailchimp is that it can cancel your account without prior notification if too many of your clients unsubscribe or there are spam complaints. And maybe because of this, Mailchimp is not the best option as an affiliate marketer. Of course, there are going to be lots of clients who will unsubscribe. Okay, and finally, the templates are pretty basic and not that attractive, such as the subscribe form. I've been working as a software engineer for years, so for me it was quite easy to customize this subscribe widget, but without HTML and CSS, I guess most of the WordPress users are not able to customize this lead magnet. We are going to take a look at how to customize your lead magnet in the coming chapter, so it's going to be clear. But anyways, Mailchimp's templates are not that attractive. It is again a huge disadvantage for Mailchimp. So that's all about the advantages and disadvantages of Mailchimp. What's extremely important that usually small businesses and bloggers uses Mailchimp because it is free of charge at the beginning. Thanks for watching. So far we have been talking about Mailchimp as an autoresponder. Of course, there are other options such as Aweber. So let's take a look at Aweber. Aweber is not a free service, so Mailchimp is free of charge if you have less than 2,000 subscribers. So at the beginning, you can use Mailchimp for free. It is not the case when using Aweber. You have to pay for Aweber as an autoresponder, but you can try out the service for 30 days free of charge. If you are a beginner, then Mailchimp is cheaper and a better option than Aweber. Aweber is more flexible as far as affiliate links are concerned. So this is what we have been discussing, that Mailchimp can cancel your account without prior notification if too many of your clients unsubscribe or because of spam complaints. This is not the case with Aweber, so this is why when dealing with affiliate marketing, Aweber is a bit better option than Mailchimp. Okay, you have to pay for this service, but anyways, it is better when dealing with affiliate marketing. As far as campaigns are concerned, Aweber is easier to use than Mailchimp. And there is a free stock image library you can use when dealing with Aweber, which can lead to professional email design. So it is just my personal opinion that you can design more professional emails with Aweber. So Mailchimp is good for small businesses. So if you are a beginner, then stick to Mailchimp. But if you know how to do affiliate marketing, then Aweber is a bit better option. You can use the free stock image library. You can send affiliate links without any problem. As far as the pricing is concerned, again, both services have disadvantages and advantages. If you have less than 2,000 subscribers, then you can use Mailchimp for free. Otherwise, you have to pay $10 or approximately $200. As far as Aweber is concerned, you have to pay for this service, so even if you have less than 2,000 subscribers, you have to pay $19 or $29 per month. But if you have a huge email list, as you can see, then Aweber is better because you have to pay $148 if you have more than 10,000 subscribers but less than 25,000 subscribers, while on the other hand, if you are dealing with a huge email list and you want to make sure that you do it in a professional manner, you have to pay approximately $200. So for small businesses, Mailchimp is a better option, but if you have a huge email list, I guess Aweber is a bit better. It is more flexible, which means that your emails are going to be delivered with your affiliate links. Then you can use free stock image library, and because of this, you can design more professional emails. So if you have a huge email list and if you are a professional affiliate marketer, then I suggest taking Aweber instead of Mailchimp. Thanks for watching. So far we have been talking about Mailchimp and Aweber as autoresponders. Finally, we are going to talk about Drip, my favorite solution. So Drip has a free of charge plan for up to 100 subscribers. So again, you can use Drip for free. On the other hand, it is more complicated than Mailchimp or Aweber, but this is why you can construct much more complicated campaigns as well. So if you are a professional email marketing or affiliate marketing expert, then Drip is the autoresponder you are looking for. There are lots of good features of Drip, but the most relevant feature is called lead scoring. So what does it mean exactly? Lead scoring means that your subscribers will have scores based on their interactions with the emails. So we are going to assign a numerical value, the lead score, to every single member on the list. If the client opens a given email or clicks a given link, then it results in higher lead scores. So what does it mean? That the higher the lead score, the more your client is engaging with your email. And why is it good? Because you can send emails based on the lead scores. For example, you can resend emails for those who didn't open the previous emails, or you can send custom promotions for your top clients. For example, I have 2 courses, beginner Java course and advanced Java course. Based on the lead scores, I am able to send the beginner course related promotion for those who are new to Java programming, and I can send the advanced course related promotion for those who already finished the beginner course. You may pose the question that why is it so important? This is exactly what we have been discussing when dealing with email marketing. If a given subscriber is not interested in a given product, then there is no need to advertise the same products over and over again. On the other hand, they may buy other products. So this is why it is extremely important to send the right promotion to the right audience. And basically, this is the main advantage of using Drip. With the help of lead scoring, you can send the right promotion to the right audience, which means that you can create different subsets out of your email list, and you can use different emails for these different subsets. So this is why Drip is by far the most popular approach when dealing with affiliate marketing. Of course, you have to pay for this service, but if you are serious about affiliate marketing, then I'm sure that you are willing to pay for this Drip autoresponder, because you can tag subscribers based on their interactions, and Mailchimp and Aweber as services are not able to do this feature. So this is why Drip is extremely powerful. As far as the pricing is concerned, you can navigate to www.drip.com and pricing. And as you can see, if you have less than 100 subscribers, then you can use Drip free of charge. If you have less than 2,500 subscribers but more than 100 subscribers, then it costs $41 per month. If you have more than 2,500 but less than 5,000 subscribers, then you have to pay $83 a month, and otherwise you have to contact Drip for your custom price. So maybe Drip is cheaper than Aweber and Mailchimp, but of course you have to pay for it again. So it is kind of a trade-off that you have to decide what are you after. If you are a professional affiliate marketer and you want to take advantage of lead scoring, then Drip is the best autoresponder possible. So that's all about Drip. Thanks for watching.